How to enable dark mode on Bluesky. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's video we will see how we can enable dark mode on Bluesky application. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. First of all, launch the Bluesky application and make sure to log into your account. If you're already logged in, you will land in your home page. From here, navigate to top left corner and tap on the hamburger icon. From this menu bar, tap on Settings. Now once you're on your settings page, scroll down a bit and then tap on Appearance. Once under Appearance, now to enable dark mode under this dark theme, all you have to do is tap on Dark. And with that, now the dark mode is turned on. You can do the same with the color mode as well. You can simply tap on Dark. So that's how you can enable dark mode on Bluesky application, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.